Okay, we are discussing 8th class social, new chapter, 11th chapter A. 11th A, nationalist movement. The early phase. The early phase. First phase. 1885 to 1990. The period. Nationalist movement, national movement, nationalist movement. The national movement in India. Our Indian nationalist movement, the early phase, first phase. Our Indian national movement divided 3 periods. First period, moderate period. Second, extremist period. Extremist period. Third, Gandhi period. Gandhi era. Our Indian national movement 3 periods there. The 3 periods divided by the great historian Ramesh Manna. Beginning of the national movement. First, so many moderate leaders there. Important leaders. Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Nauroji, W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Rane, Subramaniam Iyer, etc. 1884 before, so many organizations established in Indian leaders. Who are Britishers time, our India so many presidencies. Madras presidency, Bombay presidency, Calcutta presidency, and in Bengal. The great intellectuals, the great educators, the great political thinkers established some organizations. 1885 before, Dadabhai Nauroji, Madras Association. So many leaders, so many associations established. Bombay Association, Madras Association, Bengal Association, some associations established. Our India, first nationalist movement, national movement started in 1885. So many associations established before 1885. Why? The people support the India, the people support the Indian people education. In 1885, the important year of the nationalistic movement, our Indian national movement, Indian freedom movement. Why? Our Indian freedom movement started in especially 1885. Main important major landmark. The Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. INC, Indian National Congress, established by AOU. The founder, Indian National Congress organization or Indian National Congress party, established by AOU. Founder AOU. AOU. Who are the AOU? AOU is a retired British employee. Britisher, not Indian. The AOU followed the safety valve theory, may support the British government. So many Indian leaders, so many Indians had the education, studied the so many subjects, read the so many Western education. The people realize, the people educated. Though the Indian educated people against the British government, our Indian British government, I may not know our Indian country. AOU followed the safety valve, I mean support the British government, support the British Empire. Indian National Congress founder AOU. Indian National Congress first summit, first conference held in Mumbai, Bombay, 1885. December month, 1885, the Indian National Congress first summit held in Bombay, Mumbai. The Indian National Congress first president W.C. Banerjee. W.C. Banerjee, the first president of first Indian National Congress conference. Throughout India, educators and intellectuals, political thinkers, who are the educators of India, the representatives attend in first son. Today members attend in our summit 50th. The first conference so many resolutions, so many programs done in the first Indian National Congress. First, encourage the education of Indian people. The British government established so many organizations, support of the Indians, so many development programs started in India by the British government. So many resolutions passed in Indian National Congress. Beginning of the freedom movement, moderates, the extremist leaders complete separate. Moderate leaders, the great leaders, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji, Umesh Chandra Banerjee, M.G. Rane, Subramaniam Iyer, etc. persons, many leaders. The first conference president WC in Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Umesh Chandra Banerjee, the first Indian National Congress president. Our Indian national movement role, our Indian national movement is completely maintained by the Indian National Congress. Our Indian freedom movement credit goes to Indian National Congress. Our Indian National Congress, the main role of the freedom movement. So many organizations there. Secondly, first place, under leadership of the Indian National Congress. Congress is the main role play of freedom movement. Our freedom movement, our India got independent from Britishers. The credit goes to Indian National Congress. So many leaders there. The leaders' ideology, the leaders' intellectual, the leaders' policies, the leaders' charisma. The Congress Party maintained the Indian National Freedom Movement. First, 1885, one of the organizations established Indian National Congress. When the Indian National Congress established in India, our Indian freedom movement also, so many movements planned by the Indian National Congress. Modern period, 1885 to 1905. The period ಇದು completely there is no Swaraj ideas, only develop the Indian country and our Indian people about the education and development organizations. I mean moderates follow the prairie, petition and protest. The three principles followed by the moderates. What are they? Prairie, petition and protest. The three principles followed the moderates. 1885 to 1905, the moderate period, our Indian nationalist movement, our Indian freedom movement, first period, moderate period leaders, Tarabai Nauroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, W.C. Banerjee, M.D. Rawale, Subramanian Iyer, etc. The moderate period, our Indian National Congress under control of moderates. Our Indian nationalist movement, freedom movements also maintained our main role by moderates. Moderates very intellectuals, educators, high education people, great thinkers, great political thinkers, lawyers. The people conservatives about the Britishers, other time against the Britishers policies. About our Indian people, our India, our Indian development. Of course, here the moderate period is the first period of the freedom movement. The moderate leaders followed the three principles: prairie, petition, and protest. 3 P's. Okay, 3 principles followed. Moderate period, first period of the freedom movement. Nationalist movement or national movement, early base India, 1885 to 1990. Topic, discuss so many topics today. Discuss these topics, some questions here, so much questions. First question. Who are the founder of INC? INC means Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress founder. Next to how many periods of national movement what are they? First the founder మన ఇండియన్ నేషనల్ కాంగ్రెస్ స్థాపకుడు. రెండోది మన నేషనల్ మూవ్మెంట్ని ఎన్ని పీరియడ్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసాము, హౌ మెనీ పీరియడ్స్, వాటి పేర్లు ఏంటి అనేది మీరు రాయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. ఇది క్వశ్చన్, ఈ లెసన్ యొక్క ఈ చెప్పిన టాపిక్స్ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే.